Hello everyone, welcome to Folk Brain. The first poem that I'll be reciting today is Alienated in Homeland by Ramakrishna Kisun. I am here. Why search for me being made there? I am insecure in an abandoned place. Your vision but is blurred amid the fragmented walls of Brahmin, Kayastha, Kshatriya, Yadav, and Bhumihar. But I am here, aloof from all the compartments, made ridiculous, subject of envy, misfit as a human being, and cannot say as to who and when will kill and devour me. I am alone, segregated from the mob, backward, ignored. But you must have a crowd, a party to serve the nation, while I am independent. You require machinery, your own flag, slogan, and mantras to perpetuate your own ism, your own domain. Oh God, where is my country then? The second poem that I'll be reciting is Water Gets Out of Pinnacle by Narayanji. Water is not a peak, it ejects from acme. It comes out of stone, stone turned into peak, eschewing water to kiss the earth, to inhale the air of the earth to its maximum, which was its lifeline, and, in turn, the kissing water grants caloric passion for earth and dissolves unimaginable fondness in the heart of the earth. In an inner reciprocal war, Spire relinquishes water, which turns victorious. Vanquishing the summit creates a famed triumph while getting out of the culmination. The water does not dissociate the peak, nor does make it meaningless, but while abdicating it, the water, in its life's notable conquest, bestows the pinnacle a meaningful history. Thank you everyone for watching.